Old Orchard Beach is known for its pristine beaches, lively pier, and seaside amusement park. But what happens when Mother Nature rains on your vacation? Join us as we run down the top 10 things to do in Old Orchard Beach if the weather takes a turn for the worst. This is Brew England, a channel dedicated to all things New England culture, adventures, and beer. Before we start, please take a moment to like and subscribe, especially if you enjoy original content on YouTube. Thank you. If the weather doesn't cooperate with your trip, the most obvious options if it's raining is to simply go shopping, dine out, or post up at a cozy bar or coffee shop. However, this list is more focused on active things to do to keep you and your family entertained. Palace Playland is more than just an amusement park. It also boasts a large modern arcade full of classic video games, group activities, racing sims, and much more. Jungle Adventure is an entirely indoor blacklight mini golf course, complete with a trippy neon jungle animal theme. Biddeford is just a short drive from Old Orchard Beach and offers a lot of great indoor activities for all ages. Explore the history of Biddeford and Saco in the heart of the Mill District, once one of the largest textile manufacturing hubs in the entire country. Learn more about the history of the mills, check out the downtown waterfall, and take a guided tour and explore the underground cisterns that once powered the mills. City Theater is a historic opera house that is over 150 years old. Check out their calendar of events for live performances, movie nights, concerts, and other events. Rift features over 24 arcade cabinets straight out of the 90s, plus air hockey, skee-ball, modern games, and a retro-themed bar and food menu. Gutterball Bowling is a retro-style big pin bowling alley with an impressive tap list, several arcade cabinets, and elevated bar food. Maine Silverball Tavern is a pinball lover's paradise featuring over 36 classic and modern pinball machines. Get out of the rain and into the kitchen with Bounce, an indoor pickleball facility, also sporting golf simulator bays and an upscale sports bar and restaurant. The Maine Classic Car Museum features over 50 vehicles from Formula One race cars and classic cars to rare curiosities and automobilia. Portland is just a 30-minute drive away and offers a great selection of museums to explore, including the Portland Museum of Art, the Portland Historical Society, the Maine Children's Museum, the Victorian Mansion, and my personal favorite, the International Cryptozoology Museum. That about does it. If I missed anything, please write in the comments below. Until next time.